The ecological importance of bees. Bees, often overlooked as tiny, buzzing insects, play a vital role in the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Their industrious pollination activities are essential for the reproduction of countless plant species, ensuring the survival of diverse flora and fauna. This essay will explore the ecological significance of bees, highlighting their contributions to food production, biodiversity, and environmental health. One of the most critical ecological functions of bees is their role in pollination. As they gather nectar and pollen from flowers, bees inadvertently transfer pollen grains from the male part, stamen, of one flower to the female part, pistil, of another. This process, known as pollination, is essential for the reproduction of many flowering plants. Without bees and other pollinators, many plant species would struggle to survive, leading to a significant decline in biodiversity. Bees are particularly important for agricultural production, as they pollinate a wide variety of crops. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are all dependent on pollination, and bees are responsible for pollinating approximately 75% of our crops. This makes bees indispensable for food security, ensuring a stable supply of nutritious and affordable food for humans. Beyond their agricultural benefits, bees also play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. Pollination is essential for the reproduction of many wild plant species, which provide habitat and food for a variety of animals. By ensuring the survival of diverse plant communities, bees help to maintain healthy ecosystems and support the overall health of the planet. Bees also contribute to the health of our environment in other ways. They are excellent indicators of environmental quality, as their populations are sensitive to pollution, habitat loss, and pesticide exposure. By monitoring bee populations and their behavior, scientists can identify environmental problems and take steps to address them. Unfortunately, bee populations are facing significant threats due to a variety of factors. Habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases are all contributing to the decline of bee populations worldwide. This decline has serious implications for both agriculture and the environment. To protect bees and ensure their continued survival, it is essential to take steps to conserve bee habitats and reduce the use of harmful pesticides. Planting bee-friendly flowers, supporting sustainable agriculture practices, and raising awareness about the importance of bees are all important actions that individuals can take. Additionally, governments and organizations must work together to develop policies and programs that protect bees and promote their health. In conclusion, bees are vital to the health of our planet and the well-being of humanity. Their role in pollination is essential for food production, biodiversity, and environmental health. As bee populations face increasing threats, it is imperative to take action to protect them. By conserving bee habitats, reducing pesticide use, and raising awareness about the importance of bees, we can help to ensure their survival and continue to reap the benefits of their invaluable ecological services.